In this video, we are going to show you how to install this Carplay Smart Box provided by Keyanlai for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Your 3-in-1 multimedia system, Android system, Apple Carplay, and Android Auto. It has a car-like appearance in a compact design. USB-C port up front, USB-A in the rear, along with indicator lights, and your reset button. Includes your USB cable, Type-C to USB-A adapter, and your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. To install, we're going to go ahead and plug it into the vehicle. Wait for the unit to pick it up. You can see the indicator lights working. Now you can see it picked up Apple CarPlay. We're going to go ahead and enable. And here is your Android system. Here we have your user interface. You have your music and your time and date. On the bottom you have YouTube, Netflix. You can play videos, music, and connect to Bluetooth. Bottom left is where you'll connect to Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Bottom right is your settings. You can swipe to your left to have access to all your apps. First, we're going to go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi. Look for the Wi-Fi you want to connect to and go ahead and connect to it. Now we're connected to Wi-Fi. We're going to go back out. And let's try to log on to YouTube. Now once you're connected to Wi-Fi, we're going to go ahead and update the firmware. You want to swipe to your left. Look for updater and then go ahead and update. We're gonna check for updates. Alright, there's a new version. We're gonna go ahead and download. After you downloaded the update, we're gonna go ahead and install now. The firmware has been updated. Let's go ahead and try and connect to YouTube.
Hello, truck lovers and Subaru fans.
Perfect.
We'll delve deeply into one of the most anticipated releases.
We can go into full screen.
The all-new Subaru Baja small pickup. That's right, Subaru is reintroducing the Baja. And this time it's not just a niche car. It's here to ship.
We can go ahead and try and play some Netflix. I'm gonna go ahead and sign in. Now you can play Netflix. Next, we're gonna go ahead and try and connect to Apple CarPlay. You're gonna hit this button here. This is X-Link. You're gonna pull up your iPhone and go into your Bluetooth settings. Look for Core Pi. Go ahead and click on that. We're gonna hit pair. Allow. We're gonna go ahead and turn on. Now you're connected to Apple CarPlay. Let's go ahead and test the voice feature. Hey Siri, what's the weather today?
Thunderstorms are expected today. Daytime temperatures will hover around 79 degrees, with overnight lows around 57.
Now let's go ahead and try and connect to Android Auto. We're gonna go ahead and hit this button here. Okay, then on your Android phone, we're gonna look for Carplay. We're gonna go ahead and pair to that. Go ahead and hit pair. Now you're connected to Android Auto. Now let's go ahead and check voice control. Okay, Google, what's the weather today?
For Seattle is 68 degrees with a thunderstorm.
If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.